Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to automatically adjust column width and row height in Microsoft Excel so your data fits perfectly. Now let's get started.
As you can see in this example, some text is wider than the columns and some rows contain multiple lines that don't fit the row height. Let's fix that. First, select all your data. You can press Ctrl A to select all of them. Now go up to the Home tab. In the Cells section, click on Format, then choose Auto Fit Row Height, and just like that, your rows expand to fit all the text. No more hidden lines. Next, let's fix the columns. With everything still selected, go back to Format and click Auto Fit Column Width. Now your columns adjust automatically, so everything fits nicely on the screen. And you can already see the difference. Everything looks cleaner, more readable, and honestly just more professional. Now if you like using quick shortcuts, here's an even faster way. For columns, select the columns you want. Then hover your mouse between two column headers. When you see those double arrows, just double click. Same idea for rows. Hover between the row numbers, wait for the double arrows and double click. It's one of those little tricks that saves you a ton of time once you get used to it. And that's how you automatically adjust column width and row height in Microsoft Excel.